Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. As you can see, this is going to be a Halloween embellishment video. I've been working on these on and off throughout the week, and I think I have enough to share with you guys now. Since I'm going to be doing a couple of different ones, I'll be sharing them as I go. If you guys don't know by my banner on my channel, I will be having a Halloween series where I'm going to be putting up a video every single day for the month of October, and it's going to be a variety of hauls, giveaways, embellishment videos, tutorials, project shares, just a bunch of stuff. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys definitely watch that. And yeah, let's get into these embellishments because they're super cute, and I figured I'd lay them all out for you guys so you guys can kind of see what the video is going to be about. So of course I made some fun little crepe paper rosettes. And then this one has like a little rosette on it. I used a bunch of different papers that I have in my stash. So we have these two orange ones. And then I did some of these with the little scallop circles. I used a little bit of my white jelly pen and then like a 1-inch. And these cute little spiders from Michael's last year. And these are a 2-inch circle that I inked around the edges. Some of them don't have inks, but they do have like the 1-inch on the bottom, just to make them more sturdy. We got the cute little black ones here, also with the inked circles, and then some stickers from my stash. I love the way they turned out, you guys. Let's grab the white one. I think I only made one white one. Here's this one. This is like a Dear Lizzie rosette, and I just placed it on top with a scallop circle. So cute. And then, oh, something fell. Then we have these cute little polka dots, crepe paper that I have in my stash. And then I just have like the orange 2-inch circle in the back. Super cute. These are like this is like a Jolie sticker. I think this one too. But I think they turned out so cute. And then of course you guys know that Pastel-Halloween is a thing right now. So I did make some pastel ones. I did these blue ones. There's like a cute little crow. I put some word stickers on it. So there's like layers, like a 1-inch. I think this is a, I'm not sure. I think it's a, oh, I don't know what my scallop punch is, the size. But I have that one. It's like the bigger one than the small one. And then the 2-inch. So I did a lot of layering with the punches. And this is just a chipboard that I found in my stash. I did one pink one with another one of those Dear Lizzie rosettes. One of these cute little layered stickers. I did 2 pink ones. Another one of those rosettes from Dear Lizzie. These cute little pumpkin stickers from Target last year. Some have word stickers, some don't. Then we have these in purple. Cute little pumpkins that everyone is buying with the white glitter. Some words. This is from like a Jolie sticker. Super cute. So those are the rosettes, you guys. And then I did make more rosettes from with the Tim Holtz. And this is what they look like. And I used the October Afternoon Witch Hazel collection to make these. So we have this one, and they have like the opposite side. They look like that because the paper is double-sided. We have this one, Hey Booski. And then that's the opposite side. Then I'll do that one last. And then I made these two, which looks like this. I put some of that, like that mummy, I don't know what it is, like a mummy wrap that was in Target last year. And that's the back. Then we have this one, excuse me. And this is just a little sticker that I was sent last year in some Happy Mail. I put some of that eyelash trim. And that looks like that. And you guys, I think they look so cute. You can put them on Happy Mail, send them to pen pals. And then you guys, I made this one. How cute did this one turn out? I added some trim just to give it a little something. Didn't that turn out cute? And it would look so nice, like in a loaded bag or a card. I think it'd be so fun. And then, oh, one more little rosette with this Bon Voyage from Michael's last year. And I think this is the Spooky Boo paper that I used. Don't quote me on that, but I think it is. Then I also made some, I had these scallop circles, these white ones. So I just made some 2-inch circles and 1-inch circles. And then I placed like a little sticker on top, some word stickers, inked the edges. These are also fun to share in Happy Mail. That's what they look like. When I ran out of the scallop circles, I just used these 2 different papers that I found that can fit the 2-inch circle. So I'm assuming these are like a 3-inch. And that's what those look like. And then the last embellishments that I want to share with you guys are my favorite. And they are using these little fences. I don't know if I showed you guys that I had the fence die. But what I did was I distressed the fence. This one I distressed with a Tim Holtz. And then I just added some of those chipboards that are super popular right now from the little bucket in Target. Some stickers that I had. I inked up some of the little word stickers I have. I put this cute little googly eye. Some spiders that I had from last year. And look, you guys, is this not adorable? I love these. I love the way they turned out. Look at this one. This one I inked up with just some black ink. I added some of that webbing that usually they sell on Halloween. Some spiders. Some cute little candy bags. A happy ghost. And it says spooky. Then we have this one with 2 little ghosts. It says haunted. A spider. The web is in the back. And then the skeleton. And then we have this one with the cute little witch from the Spooky Boo collection. This little bat that I add some crazy little googly eyes to. He has a spider on him as well. And it says, "You're so sweet, it's scary." Cute little pom-pom on her hat. You guys, I love these. I think I'm going to make so many more. And this is the last one. This one has 2 little black cats. This one is from last year, Michael's. It says spooky. This one is from the bucket. It says black cats gather here. And then I added some of that little webbing from, you know, the Halloween. They sell it in the dollar store. But yeah, you guys, these are my embellishments so far for Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys got inspired. Stay tuned for more, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.